It's our first Geeky Goodie Basket unboxing. The first one, you guys. The first.
Wait, this is actually the first?
This is actually the first for 2019.
Oh.
I saved it for you guys. We were going to do it last week, and I was like, no, Rojo is going to be in the house, so we have to do it this week. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, first of all, shame on you. Second of all, just go to geekgala.com. It's the official party of the Charlotte Geeks. It's going to be on November 2nd, and this year's theme is, and I'm going to read it because I'm bad at saying it 5 times fast, Geeky Tiki Slumber Party-o-Rama. So it's the Geeky Tiki Slumber Party-o-Rama. That means that we're going to have a tiki bar there. We're going to have tiki lights. But also, it's going to be like a big old pajama party. So you can come in your pajamas that are geeky, or you can come in the geeky pajamas of your favorite character. So if you were going to come dressed in the pajamas of your favorite character, which character would you pick, Tanya?
I was not prepared for anything. I thought I was holding a basket. Okay. I don't know, someone from Avatar: The Last Airbender, probably Toph. I would wear Toph's pajamas.
There you go.
Nice.
Okay, now you've had 5 seconds. So
Yeah, well, mine...
5 seconds right now, go.
Okay, alright. Well, so
Yeah.
I've already cosplayed as someone who wears pajamas before. So, Arthur from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. So I would just wear that in a robe and carry a towel, so...
Well, that would be a classic outfit for sure. I was kind of thinking maybe more like Michael Dorn's character from Worf from Star Trek might be a good one, because I'd love to see what he would look like in his pajamas.
Wait, doesn't he... Wait, I feel like his pajamas are his martial arts gear. It's like the
is
same.
it?
Do Klingons have pajamas? Do they have pajamas?
He wears like silky martial arts gear.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe we'll see it in the new show coming up.
So today's Geeky Gala basket unboxing is actually 2. We have a bag and a basket, and they were donated to us by Atomicon. So Atomicon's one of the other great conventions here in the Carolinas. It's going to be November 22nd and 24th down in North Charleston, and amongst their guests of honor is Mike Cole and Faith Hunter, and they also have a short film festival. So make sure that you check them out, and we have a special thanks to Janet and Michelle for donating these items to us. We feel very special because they drove them from North Charleston up to High Point, North Carolina, just to give them to somebody so that we could have that.
That's awesome.
Very
That was amazing.
Thank you.
And they always give us cool stuff. So this is obviously Star Wars stuff in a BB-8 basket, which is how cute is that?
It's adorable. It's plush, it's squishy.
It's squishy.
She thick. She thick here.
So why don't you show us some of the goodies that are inside?
This thermos.
Yeah, it's like a water bottle from heaven, right?
Water bottle from heaven.
What's on it?
The crew.
The crew.
The original.
The Ridge crew. The
OG.
Ridge.
OG.
The
Yeah.
OG droids.
Yeah, we're trying to white it
Well,
up.
also babies in there, like the droids. The droids are this.
The droids.
Okay. Is this a?
Clone trooper.
That's a clone trooper.
Yeah, but no, but like, what's this whole?
I think
for?
that's
I think it's a
pencil
pencil
sharpener?
Please don't sharpen your
I'm
finger.
sorry.
Here, flip it upside down.
I gotta stop putting my.
Yeah.
Does it look like a?
Don't put your finger into random
I'm
holes.
sorry. I see a hole. I want to put something in it.
Okay.
Oh wait, no. There's like a speaker or something. I think this makes noise, and it's also a pencil sharpener.
Also, it looks like the neck has like...
Is it also a Pez dispenser? Is that
Oh
what
my
it is?
god, that would be
I'm
amazing.
not-
It's something really cool. We will figure it out before the big day and tell you all about it. All right, you want to reveal something? I don't want to take...
Sure.
Yeah, what you got?
All right. So first we have
A sealed.
a sealed Pacific Rim puzzle.
Oh,
I think it's from the
cool.
first movie too. So yeah, getting some. There's no kaiju on it, but it's got some pretty sweet robot action.
Nice.
Yeah.
Man, puzzles are hard.
Yeah. How many pieces actually is that one?
I'm trying to see 700. Okay, 700 pieces.
That's not too bad.
Do you know that a lot of puzzle companies, they use the same cuts for each thing, so you can actually make your own puzzles if you can figure it out?
Oh, like if you can
Mix
match them
and
up
match.
for real?
Yeah.
But I'm sure that's not the case.
No,
with it.
don't do
These
that
are
with
all
this.
uniquely cut pieces. Well, also you'd have to go out and buy more because I don't think we have like more puzzles.
No, this is the only puzzle.
Manufacturer. So, just thanks. All right, Tanya, what else do you got?
Get it? I have this. I think this is another
Yoda.
I'm putting my
I'm
finger. I'm gonna do it.
right in.
It fits in. Okay.
Good
so
to know.
There's this Yoda.
It
Oh, look at
fits.
this. First order
Water bottle.
water bottle. Rule the galaxy.
Oh, I
Very
got some Kylo
cool.
Ren going on.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very cool.
I'm like 2 for 2 for like water bottles and pencil sharpeners. I got a theme.
All right. Up next, we have a sealed pagoda game.
Ooh.
Pegasus Spade.
Yeah.
AEG Games. Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. So you, the Emperor of China is coming to visit you. So you gotta build the best pagoda.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, it's
So,
a building challenge.
It's an architect tactics game. I mean, this sounds really cool. I play this.
Kind of intense.
Hey, you won a basket at the gala one year.
I did. It was a Magic the Gathering basket.
Yeah.
It was one of the best things.
Like, don't pick it. Don't pick
I'm not
it.
picking at it.
He's like, yeah, I got that.
I hope there's an event planning
You
aspect.
were like
to
the
this.
happiest person that night. Like you, I
It
think
was
you
the
did like
best.
a triple forward flip to get it, and then a triple back
believe
flip
it.
with it in your hand.
I definitely knocked everyone out of the way who was standing in the
Yes.
way. So.
That is mine. and then I think like you had me watch it while you were up on stage performing.
Probably, yeah.
You
I
know,
don't trust
Joey,
people.
don't let
yeah.
anybody take this
uh-uh. I mean, everyone at the Geek Gala is trustworthy. It's just a problem I have.
So no.
Yeah, well, except for at the buffet. If you say take 3 or 4,
Oh,
they take like 7
no.
or 8. But that's okay. That's what it's there for. It's food.
What's this?
Ooh, it looks like a little game or something. Like, is it magnetic?
Oh wait, there's an on button.
Ooh,
Wait.
push the buttons.
Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. How cool. Makes sound effects.
I am still unclear on what this is! Is that a clock? Is that a clock face?
It has something
Is it
in the
a-
front. Or maybe
Oh.
you get points for pushing.
Oh, is this like Simon?
It's
it
a
might be Simon
game.
Says, yeah.
Oh, neat.
Oh, I think I gotta hit the. Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
you got it. Yeah,
Uh-oh.
yeah.
Yes.
And you know it's
Y'all,
safe. because
killing
they're
it.
Stormtroopers, they can't hit it.
They're not gonna
That's
hit
right.
anything. My score is currently like 220. Like, I'm killing this. Oh my god. Where is this going? This might be missing from this gift bag, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. 380, beat it. Beat that score.
Oh
All
my
right.
gosh.
What else you got?
Oh, yeah? I also have stickers.
Ooh.
Some very cool stickers.
Yeah.
Stick your stuff your way.
Sticker your folder, your notebook, your binder.
Cool.
It's 20.
Oh, these are water resistant. Okay.
So that
Very
it could be
cool.
even decals.
Yeah, they can be decals. Because you can probably
Yeah.
put these on your
Oh,
car,
and they
maybe.
remove easily, so you can put them on your mirror.
Man, that's super great.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Very cute. In your locker.
Awesome.
Okay.
Still my go?
Yeah,
Was it
so
your
you
go?
have one left?
I have one left.
Yeah, so go
It's
ahead
secret.
and...
Oh, do you know? Okay.
I see more
I
things in yours.
have magnets. Oh, cute. And they are actually, let's look at it this way, refrigerator magnets.
Ooh.
Used on refrigerators, file cabinets, metal doors, lockers. Does not work on cats, dogs, organic materials. I'm adding that commentary. That's just me.
Have you tried?
No.
I feel like you have.
No.
Man, Charlie Day would love those.
Charlie Day would love
Is that your cat?
No, that's from Always Sunny in Philly.
Oh,
The character, he loves magnets.
Sorry.
Yeah. Cute.
Cute.
Christmas magnets. All right. That's what I got.
Very cool. All right.
Alright, so my last game is Eldritch Horror.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, which is real sweet. It is
Tentacles.
unsealed. But yeah, so this is a game, I've actually played this before, where you go around the world and Cthulhu-like monsters are trying to get out,
Cthulhu's.
and you gotta stop it. And
Up to 8 players.
it's by, what is this? Fantasy, I know that symbol, Fantasy Flight, because they did, I think, the Battlestar Galactica game, and I think they may have done the Game of Thrones game. So yeah, it's really cool. It's got a lot of moving parts. It's got a lot of stuff going on, and made by the same people who made Arkham Horror.
Oh, well,
So-
that's definitely a very cool game.
Cthulhu.
Yeah.
Cthulhu.
Nick Crook says he needs that.
You know what you have to do, raffle tickets are still only $1.
$1?
We've been doing this for 12 years, and we still haven't raised the prices. $1.
That's
I like that.
amazing.
I like
All
that.
right.
I like that. All right.
What you got?
I have so R2D2 nightlight / USB charger thing, I think.
Whoa.
Yes, that is awesome.
Look
at that. That's actually cute. I like that.
Looks like it even has a sensor in the front, so it'll turn off during the day.
Oh,
and
looks
on.
like. Look at that. That's
Beep
awesome.
boop, beep boop. Okay.
That's cool.
Very
So you
cool.
mean if I lose my plug, I can still charge my phone with that thing?
Absolutely.
All right. Okay.
Absolutely. And then this is a Star Wars, the official Force training manual for Lego Star Wars.
Whoa.
Check that out.
Ooh, so if you like to play the Lego game, which I heard is pretty sweet.
Yeah.
It gives
I
you
know.
all the
I
guides.
heard the Lego games are always really great. Challenging them.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am always successful at falling off the bridges, you know.
You're just
Cute.
testing the boundaries.
Very cute stuff. Oh, cool. Scholastic. Somebody got this at their book fair.
Nice. Yeah, that is
Somebody
book
came in
fairs.
flexing at $20 from their mom.
$20.
And then this is a Star Wars egg coloring kit.
It's
Oh.
an Easter egg coloring kit. You could do Star Wars year round. They gave you Christmas magnets, and now they're giving you Easter. You are going to be set.
We already did Easter this year, right?
One time.
Yeah, we're done with- okay.
That was
So-
in April.
Right.
So next
Listen,
year,
it's
you're
been a
ready to
crazy
go.
year.
So we have like a Halloween trick-or-treat basket for 2020 because
Yes.
it'll be after, and now we have Easter, and then we have the Christmas magnets, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
we've got back to school. I mean, like, you are going to be set.
All year round.
And
Never
it's
the summer.
hydrated.
You totally have the water bottle, so you know we got you. We got
The
you
summer.
Rainy
you got your
days.
pencil sharp. Wow, this really is just like.
all year round.
Actually, here, let me put them all. Put this all out here. Check that
Look how
out.
awesome that is.
Check that out.
So, and this is only part of what goes into either the kids' Star Wars or the adult Star Wars basket.
Awesome.
Yeah, so, you know, just remember that as we keep posting stuff and revealing stuff, you're just going to get more and more things. So, you know, that was pretty cool stuff.
Yeah,
so,
that's
thank
great.
you to Janet and
Thank you.
Michelle from
Thank
Atomic
you.
Con. Just a reminder that it's November 22nd to 24th. 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 You can go to atomiccon.org and it's like adamocon.org to be able to get there. You'll know you're at the right place if you see the cute turtle. And then don't forget about the Geek Gala. Geeky,
Yeah.
Tiki, Slumber, Party-o-Rama.
Yay!
Yeah, it's going to be so much fun. We're going to have a life-size pillow for it, maybe.
What?
We're working
Whoa.
on it in
Okay.
the backyard.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you have like old sheets and blankets, start saving them. Don't, because we're going to donate them to the animal shelter afterwards.
Oh,
Oh, okay. So if you
Oh.
have, all right, because I have some. So like, okay,
Yeah.
so if I have some sheets and blankets that I need to, I give them to you.
Yeah,
Or
we'll
give them
use
to
them
y'all,
for the
whatever.
pillow
Right.
fort. We'll wash them, and then we're going to donate them to the
Okay.
animal rescue.
That's a really cute idea.
And then,
It's so much fun because
Yeah.
like community, like
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
totally like be crawling around in your PJs through a pillow fart in the backyard. Go in and get a little more tiki.
not fart.
Well, yeah,
It
if
depends
you're
who's
gonna
in
fart,
there. It depends who's in there. I mean,
Don't be in the fort when you fart, okay? And then, yeah, but you know, drinks.
Yeah.
And then we're totally gonna have the performance of Mikey Mason's gonna be there. Tally Johnson's
yes,
gonna
Mikey
come
Mason.
and tell
Shout out.
ghost stories.
Hilarious.
And then we've got Valentine Wolf as well.
Oh, yeah,
So,
nice.
Yes, it's going to be very cool. And Braxton on his electronic
Base.
bass. I was going to say
Double bass.
bass or double bass. I couldn't remember.
Super bass.
He like plays
All
while
about
Tally tells the ghost story.
Oh, nice. Cool.
While we're all in our PJs kind of hanging out.
I love it.
It's so much fun. So make sure you're there. But you don't have to wait till November 2nd because on August 9th, Robot Johnson is going to be performing. So where are you guys performing this?
At the Evening Muse in Noda.
Mm-hmm.
Now here's the thing with the Evening Muse. They have limited seating.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not assigned. So get your tickets now. and get there early so you get a seat.
Yeah.
Because you are going to be rolling on the floor, and that's a little awkward if you're standing up. Because, there's drinks involved.
Yeah.
And also, sometimes parking can be a little bit of a problem, so make sure you give your Lyft drivers a little bit of love and take a Lyft there so you can drink, have a good time, and then get home safely. So if people want to know more about Robot Johnson and get the tickets, where do they go?
Feel free to go to on our Facebook, Robot Johnson, on Instagram and Twitter, Robot Johnson Comedy. And then you can find the link there to buy your tickets for our August 9th show.
Yeah.
And if they wanted
They
like
go
a
fast.
little secret code word of something that might be funny that's happening during the show, what would be like a word that would put them in the know? I'm putting you on the spot because I put you
For this
fair,
show?
for this show.
For this show.
For this show, a secret word.
Or a secret thing, maybe like an inside track on like, is there going to be an appearance from somebody we don't know?
This is a show of sequels, if that helps.
Ooh.
It's a show
Well,
of
and it's also brand new.
brand new.
So all brand new
Brand
sketches.
new material,
A
but
few
maybe
sequels.
sequels.
But yeah, well, I would say I'd say probably one of the best known characters that's going to be featured again. Just Kegels.
Kegels.
Kegels
Bring
would be-
them Kegels.
Yeah.
So obviously,
Bring your butts.
don't bring your children.
No.
Don't bring your butts.
Don't
Please
bring
don't
your
bring
children.
children.
Oh,
I don't think
children
they're
are watching
allowed
this.
in any
They're not
way.
watching this.
Yeah,
They're not
and here's
allowed
my
here.
tip for the day: if you're working on your Kegels, when you're sitting at the red light, do it until the green light.
Smart.
That's all I'm saying.
You got to work that.
Get your
that-
exercise
that
in.
core.
Same
That's
thing
what
with
it is,
hot
right?
lunches. You can just do it. Just
Confident.
do it. All right, so Robot Johnson, August 9th. Make sure to get your tickets for that. Geek Gala, November 2nd. Get your tickets for that. And then Atomicon, 22nd through 24th. Get your tickets for that. And don't forget to listen to the podcast. We'll be posting it next Wednesday of the two of them.
Yeah.
Giving you more insight. Bye.
Bye, everyone.